Introducing the award-winning Skyvac, the all-new portable gutter cleaning system operated from the safety of the ground. Blocked gutters will stop the flow of water. This water will build up and it will want to go somewhere, usually finding its way into the building itself, causing very expensive and inconvenient repairs. The traditional method of removing debris from gutters was a perilous ascent up a ladder to scoop muck from the gutters. Skyvac also outlaws other methods of reaching gutters such as scaffolding and cherry pickers. We are delighted to say that this dangerous activity is now a thing of the past with Skyvac. How is this possible? Skyvac utilises a very powerful wet and dry vacuum with super lightweight, super strong 100% carbon fibre poles made from the latest technology more often found in Formula 1 racing cars. Cleaning gutters from the safety of the ground means you cannot see in the gutters. Skyvac gets round this with the use of Skycam, an inspection camera that sits on top of the gooseneck connected to the poles and transmits images to the monitor mounted on the base pole. Skycam ensures pinpoint cleaning. Hi, my name is Paul Crosby and I'd like to tell you about the truly fantastic Skyvac. Where is Skyvac used? Just about everywhere, in and out of domestic properties of all shapes and sizes. Hotels, restaurants, nursing homes, schools, colleges, supermarkets and industrial units. Who uses Skyvac? Just about everybody, from new start-up businesses offering a gutter cleaning service or adding to an existing business such as window cleaners to housing associations and blue chip companies. Here is a list of satisfied Skyvac clients. Skyvac is very easy to assemble and can clean the gutters on an average property in under half an hour. For external applications, there's a choice of two wet and dry vacuums. The first is a Skyvac Commercial, a 75 litre 240 volt vacuum powered by two 1500 watt motors and an airflow of 4,100 litres per minute, ideal for a one-man van operation or as a bolt-on to an existing business. The second is a Skyvac Industrial, available in 240 or 110 volt. It is powered by two robust 1500 watt motors with an airflow of 7,200 litres per minute, ideal for all applications including heavy duty, long duration commercial cleaning projects. There is no loss of suction power from the base of these very powerful vacuums to the end of the carbon fibre poles. To highlight the suction power of the Skyvac, here we have a 1.5 kilo bag of breakfast cereal. Now, there's going to be no waste in a gutter that weighs 1.5 kilos, so let's show you the suction power. As you can see, it holds it easily. Quality and manufacturing cost is measured by the carbon quantity, and Skyvac poles are 100% carbon fibre, unlike other vac poles within the marketplace that are a composite mix of glass fibre and carbon. This gives us three major advantages: strength, rigidity and lightness. To show you the strength of these 100% carbon fibre poles, I'm going to sit on this one. As you can see, very, very strong. There is a choice of pole lengths available. 4 poles at 6 metres, which equals 20 feet, 5 poles at 7.5 metres, which is 25 feet, 6 poles at 9 metres, which is 30 feet, which is just about 3 stories high, 7 poles at 10.5 metres, which equals 34 feet, and a comfortable 3 stories stroke 4 stories high. Skyvac has an end tool for all occasions and applications. First of all, the basic end tool for most cleaning tasks. Then a dirt breaker for pecking out and breaking down congealed and congested organic growth. A reducer and a crevice tool for getting into gutters that are encroached by roof tiles. 2 goosenecks are available, one at 135 degrees for basic cleaning, then another at 180 degrees to stand underneath gutters when another building is close by. Every Skyvac comes with 6 metres of flexi hose and a carry bag. With the addition of Skycam, this ensures nothing is left behind in the gutters. With no trailing leaves to trip over, Skycam is completely wireless and has a range of 50 metres. The inspection camera clips easily onto the top of the carbon fibre poles, and the monitor also clips easily onto the poles. Usually this clips onto the base pole, but for the purpose of this demonstration I'm just showing you how easily it clips onto there. The monitor is one of the largest in the market and offers super crisp clarity of images. These images can be recorded on a micro SD card which fits in there. Skycam has some blocking feature, and equally when darkness falls, Skycam automatically converts to infrared. Power is supplied by built-in lithium batteries with enough charge for a day's work before recharging, either in a main socket or in a car charger. Skycam systems are all CE and FC compliant. Skycam has also been designed to fit the Skypole, a telescopic inspection system purely for carrying out site surveys. So literally just pull the clip and then just pull the telescopic poles up, clip in various sections until you get to your desired height. View what you need to view with the inspection camera and onto the monitor. Skyvac is not just for external cleaning, it's equally at home tackling high level, hard to reach internal applications such as ducting, smoke alarms, security cameras. All important areas to be kept clean, not just for the cleanliness but the all important factor of reducing fire risk and keeping areas frequented by the public safe to use. Skyvac 30 is your ideal partner for internal cleaning. Skyvac 30 is a 30 litre vacuum with 1500 watt motor and an airflow of 3700 litres per minute.
Skyvac, reaching new heights for you and your business. Call the office now to book your free demonstration.